Hey, tribe. I got cut off. I was doing a collective reading. I'm going to finish it really fast. I got cut off. I published that reading. It's already up. Go check it out. Now, I left off on my 10 of hearts. I was talking about love, that you're going to get it. You're going to get your blessings, but you got to wait. You got to just be patient and focus on everything else going on in your life. Don't stress about love. It's coming to you. Just focus on other areas of your life, like health, okay? All right, so let's get to the other cards. We got the 2. Let's see what's, okay. Like I said, go check out the other reading because you might not understand this reading. Go check on the first one first because I got cut off. This one's talking about abuse. Someone's, tribe. I send healing and light to you, baby. You are going through some type of abuse in your life, whether it's physical, mental, emotional, or spiritual abuse. Also, abuse can be spiritual attack on negative people. You may have negative people around you, haters and naysayers. We all do, but they may be in close contact with you. They can be family, friends, a lover. You know what I mean? Ooh. Okay, so you need to just get this away from you because it's causing you health problems. Yeah, it's causing you health problems. I feel domestic violence. I'm feeling somebody needs to seek a counselor or seek some help. Or in the past, you were a victim of abuse. This may be past energy that I'm picking up. It could be past energy or right now energy. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. Sorry about that. I have to get my baby girl. But like I was saying, it could be past energy or right now energy. Also, I talked about addictions in the last reading. There's definitely addictions going on to drugs, alcohol, the hood life, or whatever that you may need to detox out of your life is not serving you. You may not realize it, but your health is being influenced. And all areas of your life is being influenced. Your love, your career. If it's not going so right for you, it could be this type of life that you have, these addictions and this abuse that you need to detox from. Also, I got the Jack of Hearts, okay? So, I didn't get it Andre 3000 style side. I got it this side. So, this is Big Boy. What I heard from my guides. Sorry, Miss Jackson. I am for real. Never meant to make a daughter cry. Well, we know the song. You may in your life be dealing with a sorry Miss Jackson of abuse. This is where the abuse can be coming from a lover. Like I say, from right now or the past, you may need to deal with this. You may need to cut it out your life for you to have a healthy, happy life. Sometimes a higher being is trying to push things out of our lives that we're trying to pull close to us. And if we don't push them out of our lives, people, places, things, addictions, then it could be getting in the way of our abundance. Right? So stop holding on to things or people that may not be serving you. Baby, go to your brother. Go to your brother. They say, Trey. So the last card, because I got to do. All right, come with me. Come on. Get on there. Get on the video. The last card, one more, is number 2. Oh, we got another 2. 2. Yeah, so this is about relationships. A lot of this reading is about relationships, the relationships you may have with your partner, with your friends, with your family, with addictions, with food, your relationship with alcohol, your relationship with yourself ultimately. And we have a childhood or past love here. So either from when you were a kid or just in the past. Yeah. Definitely someone having panic attacks, heart attacks, or about to. A lot of anger. Someone here is very angry, very quick to get triggered by things. Maybe you're partying too much, going out too much. I got right here on the card, spend more time with your kids. Maybe you need to spend more time with your family, with your loved ones, with your kids. And my baby is putting all the cards out, but that's the message. Focus on self-love. Focus on getting things out of your life that no longer serve you so you can get this abundance in your life that a higher being is trying to give you. Okay, you guys and gals? And I hope this message resonated with some of y'all. Like I say, if it doesn't, just throw it out. But I know this message really reached somebody. I can feel it. I can really feel it. So if you have any questions, email me. But if not, just remember, whatever you want, you're going to get it. Throw it out there. You will get it. But don't be so attached to it that you push it away. Okay? And let's do our affirmations. Let's be positive. Let's focus on all areas of our lives so our health is not compromised because of putting our energy towards too much of one thing. Okay? So let's try to balance out our lives and let's be happy. Let's continue to have these conversations, y'all. I love y'all. I love y'all, tribe. Peace. Peace and a bottle of hair grease. All right, y'all.